Yeah, so basically guys, this is one of the most requested videos for YouTube. This is for
Oh my god, bro.
uh,
The hell?
One eternity later.
Hiya guys, so this is basically my first video, or you can also say this is my first debut to the YouTube, and this is one of the most requested things from my business communities, from my followers, from the people who are daily being inspired from me, who daily ask me that what I do for a living, how did I do things at this age, how did I become an entrepreneur at the age of 18, and hence let's do a work in a day with me. So guys, currently we are heading to South Bombay for a client meeting and then a conference discussion. In between, Rohit asked me that he had some questions to ask, that which you guys have sent him, that these are some questions which we think should be asked and we think should be answered. So yes, Rohit, tell me, what is the most asked question right now?
Yes, Adit. So tell me what worked and what failed managing multiple businesses at this age.
Oh, that's a good question. So basically, it was not always flowers and rainbows and managing multiple businesses. It is a good word and good term to say as we are working and as in a young age. But as and when you understand that actually managing and multiplying your growth and multiplying your income, multiplying your businesses is not as easy as you think. It's always been very hard, rock stone, and you have to manage several things, manage your staff, manage salaries, and also side by side manage your clients and manage the customer satisfaction of your clients, right? So it has not always been that first trial में ही हो गया सब कुछ और वैसा, but even I had gone through several failures, several disasters business, and several things which made even more complicated not only my business life but also my personal life. So one thing I would suggest is that work and learn from your failures, but also never stop working, because this is something which will take you and which will give you a chance to have a success. Just like everyone, even I thought that I had a genius idea, but I was someone who was the laziest and did not get it even in 51st or 52nd time. So I had a very low execution skill power, and later on, while trying several things, after going through several trial and errors, I also launched my first marketing and branding business, that is Mark Grow. Later on, I developed it as 1920s. Yes, 1920s is my main field, my marketing and advertising agency, which focuses on branding as well as client customization and client acquisition. I started with small projects, reinvested every rupee and kept learning. Soon brands started noticing, and soon also we started to scale up. We also had customer trusts, and we also grew up just like every other brand who works hard. Also, one of the most asked questions, that how do I manage my workflow over this large period of time and this much employees and this much work to do and all of the things all together, how do I manage it? So there is a software called Trello. Yeah, Trello करके एक वेबसाइट है, तो उस पर I manage everything, like from my YouTube videography calls to whom I have to take interviews of, on what date, and everything is scheduled from LinkedIn posts to client posts, and even I can manage my employee tasks over here where I can see what they are working on. You know guys, one business was never enough once I understood the formula of business. Doing business is getting into multiple industries. The business formula is identify a need, offer a solution, and market it like crazy shit. So this is something which will get you things done. This is something which will get you the money you need. So So now who wonders that now what I do and where I am right now. So basically I am at a stage of my life where I run handful of businesses. I am investing in some startups. I am already multiplying my income. I am already doing several things. And yes, so one advice right now what I can give you is, if you are young and thinking to start a business, this is the right time. And the only advice and motivation you need right now is that just start. And for those who want to know that where I am investing right now, whom I am advising right now, and which firms am I currently dealing with, please let me know in the comments, and I will also leave a link in the description for the firm. Thank you.